Hi traders, and welcome back to another Digit Money video. In this video, we'll be exploring this highly effective strategy that provides safer entries and more confidence in your trades. So if you've been trying to find an accurate method to execute your trade in the market, we are going to go into great detail about these strategies and show you why it's revolutionary for traders looking for more reliable entries and steady returns from the financial market. Additionally, this is going to be from the basic to advanced. We are going to examine the psychology of this trading strategy, the candlestick patterns, and the price actions that go along with it in the market. But that's not all. We are also going to dissect the essential standards and guidelines required to execute profitable trades using this entry method. So if that's something you're interested in, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. In this video, I'm going to introduce an all-in-one indicator for the ICT or SMC and price action trading concepts. And this indicator is known as the Maxwell Price Action Suite Indicator. And to add this indicator to the chart, you are going to open your analysis tool, which is TradingView. The link is in the description below, for you to register, to read, and analyze the price movement on the chart before you enter any trades. And when you have opened your TradingView, just hop on anything that you would like trading, whether it's stocks, futures, for X pairs, or cryptocurrency. But in this video, we are going to start with the price of a stock index. Now, basically this strategy works on all time frames and the different asset classes that you might wish to trade. You can see that I'm currently on the price of the US 30 index, which represents the value of the 30 largest US registered corporations, and on the 15-minute time frame. Now, to add this indicator to the chart, first you are going to go ahead to this Indicators tab over here and search for the Maxwell Price Action Suite Indicator. And then you are going to click on this particular one, and the indicator will be added to the chart. Now that you have added the indicator to the chart, you can see that this indicator comes with a lot of features for the ICT or SMC and the price action concepts. And basically, these are all the features that you will be expecting to see from the indicator on the chart. You can see the internal structures, BOS and change of character, the order blocks, the auto fibs, and more. And like I said before, the Maxwell SMC Suite Indicator is an all-in-one analysis indicator incorporating elements of SMC, and also the ideas extending beyond the trading methodology. Now let's go through the examples of some of the key features of this indicator. Here is an example of where the indicator can be used to find the market structure, because understanding the market structure gives you an overview of the pending price direction. Here you see that the indicator uses the internal and external break of structures and change of character to show you the current market structure. Basically, in SMC concepts, the break of structure helps you to identify the points where the price breaks a significant structure, potentially indicating a new trend or a trend reversal. And the change of character in SMC concept detects the slight changes in market's behavior that may indicate the beginnings of a trend change before they are noticed by a greater percentage of the market. Here on the chart, you can see that apart from the break of structure and the change of character, you have all these order blocks, the area of interest, the auto Fibonacci levels, and even the fair value gap that were drawn in on the chart by the indicator and this table that helps to show you the present trading session. Now, the problem is that trying to use all of these features to trade at once will make you to be biased and not to know the rightful feature of the indicator to use as a trade confirmation and entries. And again, all of these features together made this chart to look unclean. And you will always want to make your chart as clean as possible so as to be easy to spot trade entries easily. And for this reason, we are going to go to the setting of the indicator to modify the settings in there. Now, here on the input section, you are going to change this internal structure to 8 and the external structure to 50. And then you are going to set the rest of the setting as I did in this video. And when you go to the style section, you are going to uncheck these 3 background color and this table, and then you will click OK. You can see that the chart looks pretty good and a bit clean now. So let's go and look at some trade entry modules using this SMC version of this indicator. Here on the chart, You can see that this trade is going to be on the price of the Australian dollar with the US dollar currency pair and on the 15-minute time frame. You can see that when the price was coming down like this, you were getting this two internal break of structure. But when the price reversed to the upside direction, you got this order block, and then you also got this change of character because of this strong bullish momentum candle here, and then you started looking for a possible long position. But after this bullish candle had completely formed, then you could have placed a long trade like this at the close of this bullish candle and set your stop loss just at this low and extend your profit target up to this point, which is equivalent to a 3.1 risk to reward ratio. Here is another trade example, but this time we're going to be using the price chart of the Nvidia stock and also on the 15-minute time frame. Here on the chart, you can see that there was an internal break of structure here, but because of this area of interest formed here, the price reversed and continued upwards, and then you got this internal change of character and a break of structure. When the price reaches this area of interest and this order blocks, look at how the price is now trying to reverse and head downwards again. And this trend reversal to the downside will have more confirmation when the price forms a change of character and a break of structure. Now, notice that the indicator had already drawn in this golden Fibonacci levels, the 50% and 61.8% levels, that when the price reversed downwards, then you should be looking for entries around this Fibonacci zones and this area of interest here. This is like a more of an in-depth trade breakdown that shows the combination of the SMC and the price action feature of the indicator. Not a long time ago, I've been using the Fairdesk smooth trading platform to trade cryptocurrency. As you guys know, I'm a cryptocurrency and a forex trader. You can see that I have over $5,000 deposited into the Fairdesk crypto exchange. You can see that I have actually traded BTC and some of these altcoins. Fairdesk Crypto Exchange has got a lot of crypto assets available over there for you to trade. With these big YouTubers using Fairdesk Exchange to trade their crypto assets, Fairdesk Exchange is an accurate copy trading platform. And if you want to earn some passive income in crypto trading and you don't want to trade, or maybe you don't have the time to trade, or you don't virtually know how to trade, just click on the link in the description below and head on over to Fairdesk to create your fresh account. Fund your account and copy my trades. Here's the cool thing about Fairdesk Crypto Exchange. If you are in the United States, Germany, and some of these limited countries that have been out there, you can actually get into Fairdesk Exchange with no KYC, no VPN required. The good thing is that it is available to you right now. The simplicity of the crypto exchange, I think, is a big part of the Fairdesk Crypto Exchange. So if you're just getting into trading, or you want to try something out, just check out Fairdesk Crypto Exchange and try to use our link in the description below, and of course it gives you a little bit of a discount, so go there. The Maxwell SMC Suite Indicator is an all-in-one analysis indicator incorporating elements of SMC, and also the ideas extending beyond the trading strategy. Now, trading with only indicators carries a lot of risk. So if you want to use this indicator to help you maximize your profit and be more confident when trying to enter a trading position, it is recommended that you first test out the different features of the indicator to know the one that best fits your strategy. Now, if you are interested in learning more about advanced concepts, strategies, entry reasons, and how to stay disciplined with a trading plan, please click the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.